Hey guys, I am back with another video on this lovely Monday. So I am going in to show y'all a little instant lock work. I'm taking my precision comb. I'm going in, I'm making my part. I'm making sure it's straight as possible. And this is instant locks on, I would say this texture is more of like a 3A, maybe a 2B. It's like a wavy texture. I'm going in with my BTL gel and I'm cleaning up my part. I'm not going to use too much of the gel in his hair because you don't want to make it too oily with this texture of hair. So once I got my section parted out, I'm going to go in and I am going to part me a square. He did not want them too small. He wanted them a nice, decent size. So once I get that parted out, I'm going to take my comb and I am going to back comb up to make sure I have a good base. And I'm going to comb down just a little bit so I can have that to twist to retwist. So now I'm going in with my 3-prong needle and I am going to instant lock. And as I am going down the shaft, I am rotating the lock in between my fingers. And I am trying to move as fast as I can with that crochet needle to ensure that it's tight as possible. And as I work my way up, I am making sure it's tight. I'm going up and down that lock as I'm rolling it between my index and my pointer finger with my crochet needle. And then once I get to that end of that bottom, I am going to fold it and I'm going to make an end. So once we're finished with the full install, I go in and add my finishing touches. First, I go in with my BTL spray. This is an anti-itch spray. I spray it all through the head to make sure that the oil is penetrating the scalp. Yes, this is an oil spray, so it makes things a lot easier because I don't like using the nozzle through my client's head. And yeah, you can find it at your local beauty supply. Then, of course, y'all know this is my infamous water bottle. I go in and I saturate the hair with water. And the reason why you want to wet them up after you instant lock them so you can show true texture and that you can make sure they all locked in, set in. So once I finish doing all of that, it will literally be flawless. And then you also wait it because if they got 2-strand twists, who don't want their wavy look afterwards? So then once I finish with the water, I do go in with a leave-in conditioner and I spray the head with that. So mousse of choice is BTL's mousse. But at the moment, the store was currently out, so I forgot what brand this was, but it was something similar. I went in, I used it, I made sure I moussed up every single lock. You want to do that so once again you can make sure that the lock becomes flawless and it kind of seams down any frizziness, and it also helps with showing those waves once the 2-strand twist is taken down. So once I finish putting the mousse in, I do go in with my Baby Bliss blow dryer. Yeah, I just love this blow dryer because it gets the job done ASAP. You want to make sure you blow dry to almost completely dry. You want to leave it a little bit damp. I try not to leave my clients soaking wet, but I try to leave them just a tad bit damp because you want it to kind of air dry. You don't want it to be like completely fried with no dryer because that makes it kind of stiff. So I go in and I blow dry, make sure everything is disappeared as far as mousse and then as far as any product that needs to be cleaned up. With this install, I use less as possible of my BTL gel because I did not want him soaked in water. I mean, not soaked in water. I didn't want him like fill the product. With his hair being a loose wave texture, you do not want to overly saturate their hair with product because yeah, they would need to be washed a lot quicker. I do recommend instant locks for this hair texture instead of any starter method because it helps the hair lock a lot quicker than having to try to figure out how you're going to coil it and 2-strand twist it, because usually it doesn't have too much of a wave or too much of a curl. It just be a wave. So yes, I do recommend instant lock for this. And yeah, let's get into this look. Look at those parts. They are seamless. Y'all, ignore my nails. I needed them done real bad at the time. But the parts, y'all, look at the finished result. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. Why haven't you been royally locked yet?